vlog. You're watching HQ BMW. We are heading down to Barlow. It is typically the nights, Wednesdays, where Menace used to have their meets at the Barlow location where they actually did that CTV news interview about. So we're gonna go down, we're gonna check it out. Usually Wednesday nights are very tame. The kids didn't want to come with me, they wanted to stay home. One of them's got a bunch of homework to do, so she's gonna focus on that. But we're gonna take Stone, head down, and see who we can run into. So let's hit the road and head down to Barlow, and I'm bringing you guys along, so let's head down there. One thing I gotta say about Stone is, you guys don't remember, back when I actually originally got the Vossens, I got Yokohama tires, the Advanced Sport V105s, and I don't remember last year, maybe because it was of the original OEM suspension, but now maybe it's because of the bags, I don't know, but they are so loud. The tires are obnoxious, and it's brutal. So it's more apparent on certain roads. So once we get onto Deerfoot Trail, I'll show you, and hopefully the camera will pick up how loud the tires are, because it's almost deafening. So yeah, the tires are so freaking loud. I don't know if I can deal with that anymore. I'm hoping maybe because it's also not very, very warm out yet, that they're still just really hard. So I don't know, we'll see how it goes. We'll play it by ear, but let's head down to the Menace meet. Get Yolanda and Maggie's car. Legit. Oh, I finally get to see it in person. Wow. Got some new wheels. Those are sick. So clean. Look at that fitment. Dope. What an incredible machine. We got G's 7 Series family wagon. So sick. All static. Here's a replica Cobra. So sweet. I had to switch to the phone because damn battery on the camera died. So you're gonna get the phone now. So I'll keep bringing you around, show you the rest of the cars. Here in Calgary and Alberta, we're not allowed to have more than 5 people gathering in one spot. So the police are telling everybody that we shouldn't be gathering down here because it's only allowed 5 people or less in one gathering. You know, these people. Hello. Had to check out Mike and Michelle's Hellcat with the sick new wheels. Look at that dish. That is freaking sexy. And then the Cayman. I gotta say, I am a really big fan of this car. I just love the body lines of it. Looks like it's gonna about to pour, and I don't really feel like getting wet, so we're gonna boogie on home. Safe and sound, no rain. We stopped and got some gas. There is quite a shortage going on in the States with fuel. I've seen it on Instagram where people are like really trying to find gas, and some people are waiting in hours of lines trying to get fuel for their cars. Thankfully, that hasn't hit here in Canada yet, but they're saying it's coming, as well as gas prices are supposed to go right through the roof. So that really sucks, but today was a good night. Got to see a lot of familiar faces, and I honestly have not been back to that location, like I said earlier, since the CTV interview. And I had a lot of people come up to me and thank me for saying what I did on the news channel. So, you know, that made me feel really good about it, and hopefully that helps the community and gets things better. Today was a really tame meet, although there was a lot of police around making sure that people were wearing masks and social distancing, and they're only supposed to be 5 in a group. I just really stayed for a short time, got a few clips of all the cars that were there. A lot of beautiful cars. Talk about that RX-7. What a beautiful car from 3310. That thing's amazing. The Cobra. There's just so many beautiful cars that were there, and it's always nice to see. So hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace. One more thing, if you guys have stayed long enough, this is what I was afraid of, but it's kind of inevitable, and it's going to happen. We got our first rock chip. First rock chip. I knew it was coming. It was inevitable. That's the price you pay with wraps.